So, before we actually discuss paano ba talaga magsulat ng scientific report, I would just like to briefly go over the different types of scientific reports. So the first of which is an original article. So an original article po, ito usually ang type ng article na sinusulat ng mga researchers, or yung sa high school level, ating mga science investigatory project investigators, and sa college level naman, if a student's thesis advisor is into publishing their work, usually they publish an original article. So, bale, ito nga pala pong different types of scientific articles. I actually got this from a medical journal. Kasi po, ang ating medical area, ang mga researchers po natin doon, I believe, are publishing, I think, the most diverse types of scientific reports. So, we're casting a very wide net here para makita po ninyo ano ba yung iba-ibang klase. Okay, so case reports, so for example, kung ikaw ay doktor at encounter ka ng isang pasyente at yung kanyang kaso, for example, ng paano ba to? For example, yung case niya ng COVID ay iba yung symptoms. Sometimes they actually publish single case reports. Technical note naman po. So this is actually more of a description of a new technique. So paano ba nag-say to detect malaria, or or bagong equipment na magagamit para mag-scan ng mga buto. Typically, they actually write up technical notes. So pictorial essays naman po, so this is actually communicating or sharing some of your learnings from your research using images and captions. So ito naman po, typically, these are shorter types of reports. It's more visual than a narrative. And then, yun pong isang madalas nyo siguro may encounter whenever you're trying to review the literature for your research is review article. So a review article is an analysis of developments on a specific topic. So for example po, ngayon yung hot topic is actually COVID. So since COVID-19 came up sometime like early or late 2019, I believe, siguro po may mga scientists ngayon na nagko-compile ng lahat ng developments over the past year and a half about COVID research. So current understanding about that, state-of-the-art treatment. So yun po, you're essentially reviewing yung recent developments reported in the literature. So not necessarily na pag sinulat kayo nito, hindi kailangan meron kayong results. So you're just reviewing, you're compiling recent developments in a form na pag binasa ng inyong mga readers, yung 10 pahina po nung inyong review, for example, meron na silang ang general idea, ano na ba yung recent development. So yung sixth type naman is what we call a commentary. So typically po, when there are certain topics of interest or medyo may trendy na topic for research, some researchers would actually write up commentary. So talking about their personal experience about a particular topic. Yung seventh type naman, so ito po this is more of a critique or short review of an article. So sometimes po, when scientists or researchers don't agree with results of reported in a particular article, sometimes they communicate these critiques via an editorial. So, and then lastly, letter to the editor po is about comments naman and positions on certain topics. So this may not necessarily be, about a specific research. This could actually be, like hot topics or burning questions that which are within, like we're in yung ating mga scientists like are sometimes being asked to provide their feedback or position, or to express their positions. Okay, so for today, hindi po natin papasadahan yung 8 yan kasi isang buong araw po yung gugulin ito. But we're gonna be focusing on original articles kasi ito naman po ang actually most relatable to most high school and college investigators. Kasi again, science investigatory projects and thesis.